To increase the alarm volume on your iPhone, start by unlocking your phone and opening the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Once inside, look for the section labeled Ringer and Alerts. Drag the slider to the right to increase the volume. This directly controls how loud your alarm will be. Make sure the Change with Buttons toggle is off so your alarm volume stays consistent, even if you adjust the media volume with the side buttons. Now press the side volume buttons to verify they don't alter the alarm volume if that toggle is off. Next, open the Clock app and tap the Alarm tab at the bottom. Choose the alarm you want to edit or tap the plus icon to create a new one. In the alarm settings, tap Sound and pick a loud, distinct tone from the list. Avoid picking soft or ambient sounds if you want to ensure you wake up. After selecting the sound, tap Back and then Save. If you want to confirm it's loud enough, temporarily set an alarm for 2 minutes ahead and stay near your phone to hear it. That's how you make sure your alarm volume is as loud as it needs to be. If this helped, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below if you have questions, and subscribe for more quick iPhone fixes and hacks every week.